Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Instacart in new region like Canada or the United States and what changes. Let's get started. Instacart works in both the US and Canada, but a few things can be different depending on the country. First, open the Instacart app on phone and make sure you are logged into your account. First, the basic steps stay the same. You still download the Instacart app, create an account, enter your delivery address, choose the store, add items to your cart, and place an order. So the app works almost the same everywhere. Now let's talk about what changes. The difference is available stores. In the US, you may see stores like Costco, Publix. In Canada, you may see stores like Real Canadian Superstore or local grocery chains. The store lists depend on the location. The second difference is pricing and currency. In the US, prices are shown in US dollar. In Canada, prices are shown in Canadian dollar. Taxes and fees may also look different. Another change is product availability. Some items sold in the US may not be available in Canada and vice versa. This is normal. Next is payment method. Most major credit and debit card works in both countries, but some cards or digital wallets may not work in one country and not the other. And that's it. That's how using Instacart in a new region works and what changes between Canada and the US. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.